Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Hey bikers, welcome back to Bikers Club channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Glide. This big-inch bagger has undergone some major changes, and we're here to give you the first look. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit subscribe and ring that bell for all things motorcycles. Let's jump right in. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Glide grabs your attention with its new batwing fairing, setting the stage for significant updates on this popular touring bike. With the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, delivering 105 horsepower and 130 ft-lbs of torque, this beast is ready to hit the road with more power than ever before. But it's not just about power. The Street Glide offers improved fuel economy, boasting an extra mile per gallon in its 6-gallon fuel tank. Plus, with a rear-wheel travel increase of 43%, handling is smoother than ever, thanks to the emulsion shocks and Showa fork. Inside the redesigned fairing, you'll find a new 12.3-inch TFT display, replacing the analog displays for a more modern feel. Paired with a 200-watt amp powering the fairing-mounted speakers, the ride just got a whole lot more entertaining. Comfort is key on the Street Glide, with a new one-piece seat designed for long-distance riding. Combined with the increased rear-wheel travel, riders can expect a comfortable journey, even on the longest stretches of road. Now let's talk price. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Glide comes with a base price of $25,999, offering significant upgrades over the previous model. With 2 trims to choose from and 8 vibrant colors, there's a Street Glide to suit every rider's style. In conclusion, the 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Glide is a game-changer in the touring bike category. With its powerful engine, enhanced comfort features, and modern upgrades, it's sure to turn heads on the highway. If you're as excited about the Street Glide as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and be sure to subscribe for more motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and ride free.